I'm Adam Gordon, an edutainer with ITProTV, and I'm here with another critical update for you on discounted Microsoft exam pricing. Check it all out coming up now. Are you an IT professional suffering because of the COVID virus? Well, many of us are, and this critical update is all about how Microsoft is going to help you by discounting critical exams. They're going to make it easy for you to continue certifying and make sure you have those up-to-date cloud and Microsoft 365 skills you need to be competitive in the marketplace. There's a great list of 14 different exams that Microsoft is currently discounting, and all you need to do is follow 2 simple steps in order to be able to opt in and take advantage of this discount. We have a list right here. I'm going to zoom in, show you just what's going on there. 14 exams. You can read through the list as you listen to the critical update. I'm going to choose one that we have a course for at ITProTV, the Microsoft Certified Azure Administrator Associate, the AZ-104 exam. One of the core exams that most people looking to certify in Azure are likely to wind up taking. When you click through this, you're taken to the landing page for the exam. We'll scroll down to where we schedule, and we can see right here as we do this, that the exam information pops up. The current price for the exam without a discount, $165. That's a lot of money, especially if you're impacted by COVID. You may not be working. You may not have the ability to spend that kind of money under normal circumstances, maybe not such a big deal. Right now, definitely a concern. Well, no problem. Microsoft's got you covered. You could schedule normally. You also could schedule right down below here for $15. It's $150 off the cost of this exam. That's a significant discount when you think about what Microsoft is offering. We click on that button, and we would do this, by the way, for any of the exams on the list. The process is the same. And then we get a little disclaimer. We just have to read through there, make sure we understand what Microsoft is telling us and how we're going to operate. We click I agree. Once we're done, go through the registration process. The discount is applied as you get ready to finalize, schedule your exam, and it drops down to $15. And you're able to go, of course, and hopefully take and pass that exam. ITProTV is always able to help you take and pass exams if you're interested, and Microsoft is now helping you to take and pass exams by lowering their price, and together, what a combination. Check out the playlist for more critical updates and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.